Okay, let's take a look at the area of regular polygons worksheet, and this is number 4. In order to find the area of this regular polygon, the first thing we need to do is find the number of sides. If we do that and count, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sides. Because we have 9 sides, I can now do step 1 to find the central angle by doing 360 divided by 9, and that's going to give me 40 degrees. Step number 2 is to do half of the central angle. So half of 40 is going to be 20. So my first answer is 40, then 20. The next thing I need to do is find the height. So I'm going to draw one triangle there, and I'm going to take that out, and I'll draw that triangle over here, so it'll look something like that. Now, we know that the half of the central angle is 20, so that's going to go there. We have the height, which is what we're looking for. The entire bottom is 7, which means this side is 3.5 and this side is 3.5. Now, if I want to do trig, this is my opposite side, this is my adjacent side. That means I'm going to use tangent. So for step number 3, to find the height, what I need to do is say the tangent of 20 degrees is equal to the opposite side, which is 3.5, over the adjacent side, which is the height. This is a division problem, so the height equals 3.5 divided by the tangent of 20. And when you plug that into your calculator, that's going to give you 9.6162. The next thing we need to do is find the base. To find the base, I just have to look at the diagram, and it tells me the length of the side of the polygon is 7, so that's the base. Step 4 is to find the area of one triangle by doing base times height divided by 2. The base we have right here, that's 7, times the height we found right here, which is 9.6162 divided by 2, and that's going to give you an answer of 33.6566. So let's enter that answer in here. Then the last step is to multiply the area of one triangle, which is 33.6566, times the number of sides, which is 9, and that's going to give us 302.91 when rounded to 2 decimal places.